Today's reading is from the Daily Guides by Reverend Dr. Jim Lockard, as seen in the November 2024 Science of Mind magazine. Subscribe to scienceofmind.com. An Abundance of Trust, read by Morgan Ochieng. The best way to find out if you can trust somebody is to trust them. A quote by Ernest Hemingway. When we learn to trust the universe, we shall be happy, prosperous, and well. We must learn to come under that divine judgment and accept the fact that nature's table is ever filled. Never was there a cosmic famine. God is God. A quote by Ernest Holmes from the book The Science of Mind, page 33. Trust is a sense of inner strength and expresses the awareness of our connection with spirit. If you think of trust and not as blind faith, but as a sense of inner security that includes one ability to detect when others may not be trustworthy, you will understand. It is important to have a good trustworthiness detector, and being authentically trusting is the best way to have one. People who are insecure, for one reason or another, find it difficult to trust. Interestingly, when we trust from a place of inner security, we are able to better detect when someone else is trustworthy. When we do not trust, we diminish our capacity to detect when trust is appropriate. Trust no one is a formula for unhappiness. Look at trust as emanating from spirit through the levels of your subconscious mind and emerging as a sense of yourself, complete with the resulting behaviors. Seen in this light, it becomes obvious that the place to do our work on developing trust in our inner work. We do not depend on others to change. We change ourselves from within to a better version of who we are. Affirmation: I trust spirit fully, and I trust myself to be a vessel for wisdom, love, compassion, and trust. I know I have the ability to determine if someone is trustworthy by listening to my body and my inner voice.